Sorry, sir.
You have no shame. Look at the type of orange you are, but you don't even know whether this orange is hygienic for your body or not. Excuse me. Oh yeah, pack your load.
Don't give me money.
You get out of here before I get you arrested.
Yeah. Hey.
Orange girl. It's orange seller, come. Sakpagote, have I not told you that anytime you see fresh orange, you should always call me and tell me? Eh? The orange is very good, very beautiful and attractive to the eyes.
They're very fresh, sir.
How much for the orange?
5,000, sir.
Orange that is fresh like this? 5,000?
5,000,
No,
sir.
you deserve more. Don't worry, you just put your account. You deserve very fantabulous.
Thank you, sir.
I'll show you 500,000.
Oh, thank you, sir.
What's up, my people on a day? It's your boy OBIKING, and welcome back again to another episode of my comedy reaction. You know what I do here, comedy reaction 100%. So what you have to do for me, as usual, is to make sure you subscribe, watch my video to the very end, and share this video. And like I always say, I have a second channel. Check it out. It's also a reaction channel, and believe me, it's the best you've ever seen. But anyways, don't play. Let's go have some fun.
If your boyfriend they use iPhone and you dey suspect say that boy they cheat on you, worry no more. May I teach you now how to catch boys when they cheat.
Okay.
Go settings. If you reach settings, look for photo. Once you see am, you enter hidden album. Check if it dey off on now. Pick up. Yes, my love. Where my phone?
She don't go try. Hey, wait. She slap.
Who is this girl?
Pip. Who?
See, she's not me with this girl. After I've been together for 9 years.
Pip. I
9
can
years.
split.
How old are you
I
guys?
was about to my father to will his entire estate to you. But now it's over. We're done.
Pip. No.
Hey, why you gonna slap guy like you dey whine?
Whether your boyfriend they cheat on you or not.
Now this girl go talk nonsense.
I use a raw body. After I just get one contact for us now, but they come now. I didn't say motor now.
You don't spoil person relationship.
I beg if you carry me go Supply Road.
So many power.
If you do this thing before and you go stop back with
Les
this.
papiers play la mande.
Driver, I beg, always see me you play music.
Everywhere good.
Now you spoil a relationship.
This world is not mine.
Don't say may you do it.
Just a passing through.
Hey, wait, carry back.
Inside museum, people for they can't watch me for that place. They can't pay money as tourism.
Hello, Yossi, I beg, I keep sending you my live location.
Life location. She don't be fear. Your name is rest in peace.
Stop judging me.
Why you want to pay?
Stop judging me. I'm going to pay you.
Excuse me, will you stop that? Are
You don't have me money, you don't want paper.
you normal?
Sorry, sir.
You have no shame. Look at the type of orange you are, but you don't even know whether this orange is hygienic for your body or not. Excuse me. Oh yeah, pack your load.
Don't give me money.
You get out of here before I get you arrested.
Yeah. Hey.
Hey, you don't see Nash.
Orange girl. It's orange seller, come. Sakpagote, have I not told you that anytime you see fresh orange, you should always call me and tell me?
You don't change
Orange is
mouth.
very good, very beautiful and attractive to the eyes.
They're very fresh, sir.
How much for the orange?
5,000, sir.
Orange that is fresh like this?
Very fresh.
5,000?
5,000,
No,
sir.
you deserve more. Don't worry, you just put your account.
You don't see Nash. Nash don't turn
You
it.
deserve very fantabulous.
She has get mad at Nduka.
Thank
Hey.
you, sir. Thank you, Daddy.
Oh yeah, come, let's suck these oranges.
Daddy, what are you doing?
Sapakote said they sent oranges, so that this woman, she's selling oranges. You know that fruits will make the body agile and active.
Me, I want to go and see Mama Korede. Suck well, eh?
I will suck it with passion.
Hey, wait.
Okay, see you later.
Bye-bye, love you.
Wait a minute.
Hey, mommy, I don't see Nash. Mommy, I don't see
Forget
Nash.
the oranges that you want to suck. Refresh oranges.
I mean, for we.
We should all suck these oranges.
But these are beautiful oranges now.
What's the color of my clothes?
Orange.
Orange.
Oh yeah, go suck our orange.
Orange here.
You don't spoil show for her. Oh man.
So what's your problem now? Hunger. I never shop since hunger won't kill me, I beg.
Hunger. This is our youth of nowadays. People don't know that you have to walk. You need to walk. See, let me tell you the story of my life. When I was growing up, I walk. I also. I carried a train for head. I dey walk. I Play farm.
Now wow, put very money for some ones have as keepers.
As help her if you feel help her. Not be all this. Wow. Jesus. Even you myself, you don't get sense. You get cutlass, but you know if you walk.
So you know, she say you bash me. Oh, bros, I beg no verse now. One love, my guy. So, you know how they love. You match me, they say one love. I beg one.
Yeah.
Come on, give me my food. You say we can collect those.
See, another one. This OGB no get sense here.
Son of man,
Please
forgive him. Because he does not know what he just did to you. Okay. Please give me 1 minute, let me talk to him.
Who are you?
I'm in Machala. Go and apologize to that man. Because you don't know the pain.
Yes.
Jesus! Please not apologize.
Machala.
I'm for just the heaven.
Let's slap human beings, still slap angel, joy.
And we are on a blind date. So now I want to match two singles together. On my right hand side, as you can see, I have a beautiful lady, and on my left hand side, I have a damn handsome guy. So from my right hand side, let me ask a question. So what are you looking for in a guy?
My name is Poshotili. I want a man that is tall, very tall, over 8 feet, a man of his words with 6 packs, a yellow man, a fair man, and a rich man, very wealthy man.
Okay, do you want a God-fearing man? Because you didn't add it.
You already know that everybody loves a God. I want a God-fearing man and a man that is rich.
Okay.
Rich, that can change my story from 0 to 100.
Okay, no problem.
I have suffered in this life. I have suffered.
You never did it.
Okay, so at the left hand side we have a handsome guy. So let's hear from him. My brother, what are you seeking for?
First of all, they call me Nigerian baby, aka the drip master Siam. Rich Amili Kwes Elambo. This one now Frank Mula, $7,000 million pounds. I need a beautiful lady. Girl will be say 12 feet, very fat bum, very big breast, very chubby like Michael Donos in US. Very handsome, beautiful lady.
Handsome, beautiful lady.
Okay. Do you want a God-fearing woman?
I know even one God-fearing woman. Maybe just get big hands and big breasts. Finish young Allah.
Okay, no problem.
This is your captain Abdullah Yusuf speaking, and thank you again for choosing Air Somalia. Now we're ready to taxi after the delay for 3 days. The television is not working, but we're flying through South Sudan. You can enjoy Animal Planet from your right-hand side window. And the information about the flight, the toilet is not working. And we have 2 terrorists sitting in first class.
2 terrorists.
For the flight attendant, we have Asha sitting at the back there. She's a little bit crazy. Please don't ask her for any information. The landing is not guaranteed. Last year we have 1% make it to Mogadishu airport. Sit back and enjoy your flight. And
thank you for choosing Air Somalia. I go fly, come on. I'm senior show. Hey, voila.
La caca.
Voila.
Why the piece for that piece? No, she don't need a piece for there. For this place. You didn't want me. I ask question, they ask me question. That place where the piece, you go pay money. I go pay for piece. Bro, no let me cut throat give you. Me a piece finish now, bro. Which one you say me a piece finish? I saw your guy that angel. You didn't want me. I will cut piece of body. Me a piece finish. Make your mind. I'm a running the collect. Thank you. I will.
Yeah. I'm back again. You know the piece finish?
Jesus.
It's still a piece.
Now piece is the piece since. Because now my bladder. And my bladder big. Which one your brother? I send me your brother for street. Bladder. Now where piece the bladder for human be body. You get time for belly. Happy you be coming. I don't understand this guy, yo.
Somebody
bro, this is when they wait make a piece finish. Why not just click the link when they Mozkoh buy you? It will take you to win on strict Telegram channel. The Telegram channel they give short odds for games. As they predict game, your own now just they play. Before you know, you go to cash out. Jesus Christ of Nazareth, I mean they tell this one. Have you ever go school for your eye? Have you ever pray for your eye? I mean they tell say make I go operate 20 for your link. Have you go kill uni?
Bros, now good morning.
I know that sound. Which one is good money, bros? Where you they go and where you they come from?
Bros, I dey go morning devotion.
Jesus. Morning devotion, I wait till be time.
This is 5:30 in the morning.
Hey! Bros, I don't understand though. Now inside your peace I stand see so. And you see the peace. I swear to God, I just want to go sleep. But you see your face, I swear to God, I don't mark. You see, now stinginess go wound you. Instead when you go to say you this guy no get money, you keep me here all night. Now who will kill you? I swear.
Your face don't fall everywhere.
I first you come Lagos.
This Mozkoh no get sense. The guy come out, he gon' finish. Can you imagine?
Buy my ticket here, buy my ticket. Nasboi for West Beach, December 14th. Buy ticket here.
December 14th.
Buy my ticket here, December 14th. Only Stadium, Kelly Black Reckless Music Comedy Festival. Buy my ticket here. Gaman, you know say I get show this December 14th, but you get mind to put your own show December 14th. You don't see what you make that they disrespect to Oji. Sure, you don't see him. Senior man, if I know say you dey do December 14th, I'm not going to put December 14th. And by the way, Lagos get over 20 million people. Your show go full, my show go full. Okay. Why you dey do like this? Grandma, so now how we want to do am? How we want to make people come my own, make them come your own? How we want to do am now? Baba, your show na 8 p.m. My show na 12 p.m. People go come your show, people go come my show. What do you think say make we do? Now make we join heads together, make we push this thing now. You know say 2 heads is better than 1. I be what you think. You mean a collabo? Nah, not for you. No, you dey talk. Make it collabo. Buy our ticket here, buy our ticket. Buy our ticket here, buy our ticket. This Saturday, buy our ticket.
I don't want to buy that ticket, That was first sight.
Your smile is wonderful.
Jesus.
Hello, ma. Name, I'm sorry to disappoint you anyway, but I will marry for looks. Everyone 1 minute not here now. No done, no hair, no makeup, but her beauty be like onion in the entire eye.
Jesus.
Maya Palawago. Forget about character. Never for character. I will hire a house help. I will call you back. I will call you back.
Let's have it. Let's have it. Let's have it.
Hello, landlord. Ha! Don't worry now. When I come back, we'll see.
From there, go see him. From there, go see him. You know you're talking stage about transfer my own down. Oh! If I'm a from there, I'll take you David to boy a chama.
You go have the chance. Once you don't have the chance, you don't have
Ha!
Did I say this, please?
You the one. What type of playing is this? Wetin be this? Wetin be this? Run.
Nice time with this one. Pluto. Only one Pluto president.
Baba, good afternoon.
How you doing?
Baba, this is the man I want to marry.
You say?
My boyfriend.
Auntie.
Sir?
Come, sir. Well done, sir. Sorry, sir, I must bring drink. Next time I will bring drink. This madman!
I be.
You don't see banker. You don't see engineer. You don't even see common lawyer.
If I forget the profession, now money last.
My friend, who say work you work?
I deal on forest.
That's all I work. Get out. Use the gate.
IT, how far? Since your person I don't marry you, You also use 2 doors for all your doggies.
How far, Pluto? Bring the doors. Bring the good door for you. You know my in-law now.
Children.
Oh, don't talk.
When I was
Don't
young.
talk.
Come. Where are you taking this thing to?
I want to drop it here.
Hey! Are this not the food for the peoples?
Yes, the thing is blocking children that want to dance.
Is any teacher aware of this thing?
Yes, sir. Yes, one boy in Nursery 3C, the boy was dancing Craig best. The boy nearly for the beef meat.
Santa Claus, what are you doing? We'll be looking for you inside. What are you doing with those things? Are these not the people's food?
Yes, it is blocking Nursery 3 children that want to dance.
No teacher is aware. Come, where did you guys contact this guy from?
We contacted him from Motell. It was Auntie Felicia that recommended him.
Auntie Felicia?
Yes.
Where are you from?
Sir, I'm from North Pole.
North Pole?
Yes. Yes, but my mother is from Eche. My father is from Egbeda.
You are from North Pole?
Yes.
Your mommy is from Eche?
Yes.
Your daddy is from Egbeda? And you are this black?
His son. Son, there's plenty sun in North Pole.
Plenty sun in North Pole?
Yes.
No worry. Sun will hit you now for say.
Hey! So you meant to go with this food?
No, I don't want to go with it. I want to drop it. Every breeze be touching it.
Food meant for kids.
Hey! Hello, officer. Yes. You get case where they our school now.
Jesus.
But don't worry, we are bringing it to the station.
Sir, I beg now. Me that came to make the children happy. You want to make for Christmas sad. Oh Lord.
Yes, we are coming to the station now.
Hey! You don't know where you are
No
going.
problem. Oh, yeah, move it.
Hey! Jesus Christ of
Officer, see the guy make me call you here.
Hey!
This guy get my enter my school. Pack all the rice wey belong to children, carry they come out. Gonna through? Sit down here. Come on, sit down.
No, for that Christmas, I want disgrace like this.
See them now.
Sir, for the Christmas from North Pole. For the Christmas from North Pole.
For that Christmas from North Pole, you come here and give people rice. For let's slap, What make you steal the rice?
He called me. He said I should come and make the children happy. I was dancing. See on my body, I've been sweating. So one student wanted to do croy bese. Now hit the beef me, beef now fall. And I carry the cooler, start going outside, now catch me.
So you want to make the children happy by taking their food away, Abi? Come. This guy, when I do you, I go do you today. Tears go they pour for your eye, go they write statements. Is this of your friend, Abi? Come on, stand up there. Write everything down. Because this is my tear for the house.
Officer, give me 1 minute. I want to write tribute to my mommy because she's the one that make me to do this work. Yeah, Mama. Sorry, Mama. I never meant to hurt you. I never meant to make you cry because tonight I should by my closet.
Officer, what's me this one now? Can't you get this SM from Motell? Move it, come move it.
You are writing group.
Hey!
Move it.
Hey! Jesus.
I don't make clear.
This world can be something else.
This guy don't forget sense again. Nothing you want to
Fire now.
You don't forget sense again.
Nancy, go and carry your this thing.
Bloopers. As in behind the scene.
Sorry, man. I love my mommy so much. It's because of her I'm doing this thing to get money. I did not chop it. You see oil in my mouth. I did not chop it.
But I saw you carrying the rice outside.
No.
Bloopers behind the scene. I do like behind the scenes actually. I do like it. Thank you guys for watching to the very end. I believe you enjoyed it. What's your favorite part of the video? Drop it right in the comment section. There's so many things to check out for. Check out my other videos. There's so many videos on my channel. Check them out. And you can as well check out my other channel. I have a second channel, like I always tell you guys. Check it out. It's fantastic. You will really enjoy it. Believe me. See you in the next one, guys. Peace out.